As we've journeyed through this investment minefield together, we've shone a light on the pitfalls you should avoid. From not having a clear investment goal to not learning from past mistakes, these are the stumbling blocks that can stand between you and financial success. Let's do a quick recap. First, we stress the importance of having a clear investment goal. Without a target, you're simply shooting in the dark. Then, we discuss diversification. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risks. Next, we highlighted the perils of chasing hot tips. Investment isn't about following the crowd, but about making informed decisions. We also touched on the often ignored aspect of fees. These small charges can eat into your profits over time, so make sure you're aware of them. We discussed the danger of emotion-driven decision-making. Investing is a game of logic, not of the heart. Stay cool under pressure and make rational choices. Then, we delved into the importance of research. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. We warned against investing more than you can afford to lose. Remember, high risk equals high returns, but also high losses. And we emphasize the importance of understanding what you're investing in. If you can't explain it, don't invest in it. We also stressed the need for a long-term plan. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. And lastly, we talked about the importance of learning from your mistakes. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. So armed with this knowledge, you're now better equipped to navigate the world of investing. Avoid these common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to building a sound and profitable investment portfolio. In the words of the great Warren Buffett, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So, be patient, be informed, and be prepared. Remember, investing is a journey. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss our next video. Thank you for watching.